My name is Jaanus Kross. I am from archery, come to this competition, and I have also in Russia competition. What I think about German and Russia competitions. Here in Germany I like lap length and penalty lap length. This is better as in Russia because this is for archers better because shooting more important comes. What is minus? Here we can't correctly see hit and miss charts tells, but in Russian competitions we see very clearly hit and miss. Get some very similar rules for every competition, where is international shooters and runners. But if we want more people get for run archery, this Germany this is good because this is different size targets. We can here more long bows and traditional bow archers get more. But if we want make high level international competitions made, we must make a very similar system in every place, similar rules, and maybe also that hit-miss system in every place we must use, I think. Archers, I think it's like one part of trainings, because I must get better conditions for myself, and if I prepare a little bit for this, I can better condition, and if I go and shoot World Cup archery event, then there is easier. It's I think it's I was in Russia first time I use rollers, and when I skiing I think every second that I must stay up, don't fall. But this competition was very interesting, because must start after qualification was very nice format, because you must hit, you go next lap, and that makes very good action there, I think. The format is very good. Maybe we can use in run archery also that format. I think it's make for spectators very interesting. I think maybe in 2 years we are ready to organize the same level competition, I think, and we maybe ask help from the countries who makes also competitions. We must international team make for get more competitions in everywhere. Yeah.
Okay.